Hey everybody, and welcome back. This week we're going to pick up where we left off, and if you notice, there's a subtle difference here. We had RBLX and CHPT, both were exercised last week, so I did not have those anymore. We sold those at a profit because we're writing out of the money covered calls. So the price went up and we got exercised. So what I did was I switched from volatile stock. I chose Verizon this time because it's a more stable stock. It pays a dividend. It's, I think, quarterly. And we can start with that. Also, for the first 4 weeks, I'm going to keep both portfolios the same as far as what stocks I trade in them. And then after 4 weeks, I will take the portfolio that I am not reinvesting the money, this portfolio. And as you can see, all these will end in a zero because they're exact numbers. I'm taking the covered call premium that I generated and I'm buying stocks or ETFs from the dividend portfolio. So that way I can kind of use both my series, kind of interject them together. And then on this one, you can see that I have more shares. As you can see, on Intel, we've purchased 13 and a half more shares, Path 39, a little over, and I'm doing fractional shares. So what I did was whatever the dollar of value I got from the call, I bought exactly that much in shares. So I'm keeping it consistent. On this one, we can see we also have a little bit of profit and a little bit of, let's see, which one was down? PayPal is down a little bit, so it's at the 45 call and it's down to 43. So today is Wednesday night, so this will be Thursday and Friday, 2 more days. Today was an up day in the market, so we'll see how that goes long term. Also, I want to show you what I took from the covered call premiums on the other portfolio. Alrighty, and I purchased TSMY, UNHW, LFGY, and TRIM. And it was about $438. I took what I generated in covered call premiums, came to $1,752. I divided it by 4, and I bought $438 worth of each of those 4 that I added. So here's everything I have so far. The portfolio is up $26, so a couple of them, even though you saw in the red some of the prices. Look at that one. It went up from 52.66 to 56, and this was Tuesday morning because Monday the markets were closed for Memorial Day. So we have a little bit of gain here, a little bit, and then just a couple of little small losses. So that's what I'm going to keep going. For those of you who follow the $10,000 portfolio, that's where I get these options from. As you can see up here across the top, there's the entire portfolio. So what I usually am going to do is just pick every week. I will add a couple more until I get like 15 holdings or so, and then I will just keep adding to those as I write covered calls. And this is for your entertainment and education only. I am not suggesting you buy any of these. These are just stocks I've came up with. Verizon is the first one that I really did research on, and we talked about doing in my last video turning 200,000 into 500,000 in 3.8 years, I believe it was, which is an amazing return. And how we came up with that is if you bought quality stocks such as Verizon, they're a quality stock, they're fairly steady, they pay dividends, and they also have weekly covered calls. And what I'm going to do is just keep adding these. After the first 4 weeks, I'm going to keep them the same. Then after 4 weeks, I'm going to transition this account where I'm reinvesting I'm going to transfer this into safer dividend stocks to follow along with that plan for how to turn 200,000 into 500,000 in 3.8 years. So it'll take us a little while to get long-term data, especially with the uncertainty in the markets right now. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. This is fun for me. I hope it's fun for you. If you want to keep up, like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out some of the other videos on the $10,000 portfolio and the explainer video I put together for the turn 200,000 into 500,000. You'll see the math and how that all works. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.